limited. And when I was going through the report, in a very common layman language, I will say कि इस खिचड़ी के अंदर सब कुछ है पर दाल भी नहीं है और चावल भी नहीं है. वो दाल और चावल है सर, dog population and public awareness. We cannot control the dog population till we know the number of dogs, and we cannot control the dog bite till we make everyone aware about the basic behavior of the animal. If we people who are coming here in the courtroom, if we are dog lovers, then you have to also understand that why dog is not biting us. We have been practicing kindness towards them, and if this little bit of kindness is being practiced by each and every citizen across the country, just 2 minutes on the street as a civic duty, and they provide food or water or vaccination, we can make it a public moment, and this problem cannot get solved till we make public a part of this campaign. Every citizen has to do little bit of their duty. And right now, if I ask in this courtroom, what is the dog sterilization phone number in Delhi? Half the people will not know it. So this should be a 3-digit phone number. People should be taught what is the meaning of dog sterilization. People don't even know what is Kutta Nasbandi. So unless we don't educate the public about the importance of sterilization, we cannot get out of the problem. And this is a casing example that 2 dogs, if they are kept in a room and given regular food and water, they multiply and come out after 6 years to the number of 67,000 dogs. So what is going on? Why we are not able to control the dog population is because वो उधर पैदा कर रहे हैं और इधर हम मार रहे हैं. Indirectly, we are making a cruel society. Indirectly, every street is becoming a butcher, street. And the only way we can turn around India, making it a kind country, bringing back the culture and the tradition, is only by making people involved in this Pashu Seva. This is not the subject that has to be dealt only by animal lovers. Animal lovers are also the citizens of India. They are duty bound and they understand as what they are supposed to do to serve Mother India. If we educate people, we can solve dog bite. If we count dog population, we can control dog population. And my out of the way plea is that if we actually look into the idea of putting some extra luxury tax on foreign breed of dog, we can encourage Indian citizens to adopt Indie dogs in their households. If we encourage farmers to put dogs into the feed, we can control the jungli जानवरों से फसल की नष्ट जो होता है, and we can encourage GDP. So we have to scatter the dogs in a kind and compassionate manner, sir. And my modification application, which was filed on 18th November 2025, I already predicted and I wrote on my modification application in